How many emails are in your inbox? More than 10? Remember that feeling just before you go on vacation and you make an extra effort to clean up? Let's have that feeling every day. Well, almost every day. This tutorial will help you to get your inbox organized, and you can be sure that nothing stays undone. The approach that we will be using is from David Allen's Getting Things Done. The good thing is that you can apply it with any tool that you are working with. I will be using Microsoft Office and OneNote for this tutorial. But again, this works with anything. First, we will create context-related to-do lists, since there's always a time, place, or energy related to a specific task. The tab that we will be creating is Office, Home, Errands, Agenda, Waiting for, Review, Projects, Travel, Meetings, and Done. The last list you already have. It is your calendar. Now that we have everything we need to decide on each email what to do with it, we switch to our email client and start getting our hands dirty. For that, I like to have both Outlook and OneNote open, so I can right away edit what's on OneNote. The decision you have to make is what is the very next step to complete the task or project. The first email is from my wife. She asks me to pick up some things from the store on my way home. So this is pretty straightforward. I can only do this while I'm at the store. So I will save that message in the tab Errands. That way I can refer back to it on my cell phone once I'm at the store. While I'm thinking about the store, I also realized that I need some AAA batteries. So I jot that down right away and I will pick them up when I pick up the rest of the stuff. The second email is from a customer that needs a quotation. If you take longer than 2 minutes, then you just put it in the Office tab. The third email is an email from my boss who wants to talk tomorrow at 2:15. So this clearly has to go on my calendar since it's day and time bound. One golden rule that David Allen gives, which I've also found very useful, is to use the calendar only on tasks and meetings that absolutely have to get done on a specific day and or time.